Welcome to Gyana Vyuham. Getting started is simple. Open any web browser and search for Gyana Vyuham. Click the first Google result to open the website. You'll be taken to the Select School page. Simply type at least 3 characters of your school's name, choose your school from the list, and click Continue. Next, you'll arrive at the school's login page, where you can also explore the school's public information and other available modules. Enter your username and password to securely sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll be welcomed to the Gyana Vyuham dashboard, where all features are organized into 4 powerful sections: academic, administrative, community, and public modules, making every aspect of school management easy to access from one place. Now let's explore the academic modules in Gyana Vyuham. We'll begin with class sections. This module gives you a complete view of all classes, sections in your school. Each standard displays its linked sections, assigned class teacher, student strength, and provides quick access to attendance, students, homework, progress cards, and other academic features for that specific class section. Adding a new standard is quick and easy. Simply click the Add Standard button to open the form. Enter the standard name, choose the linked sections, assign the class teacher for each section, select an icon for the standard, and click Save. Within a fraction of a second, the new standard is created and is immediately available for use across the entire Gyana Vyuham platform, allowing administrators and teachers to start managing the class without any delay. Now let's move on to the Students module, one of the most important modules in Gyana Vyuham. Here, you can view the complete list of students in your school. Finding a student is easy using filters such as student name, registration number, or by sorting the list alphabetically. Each student card displays essential information including the student's profile photo, gender, registration ID, username, and parent mobile number. It also provides quick navigation to the student's attendance, progress cards, fee dues, and other academic records. Need to manage a student account? Simply click the 3-dot menu to mark the student as inactive whenever required. Clicking on the student's name or profile picture opens the complete student profile. Here, you can view detailed personal information, reset both the student and parent login passwords, and access the student's academic history, including previous schools, grades, and other educational records. Updating student information is just as simple. Click the edit icon, make the necessary changes in the form, and click Save. The updated information is reflected instantly across the platform. Whenever a new student account is created, Gyana Vyuham automatically sends the login credentials to the parent through both SMS and email, ensuring they can access the platform without any manual follow-up. Next, let's take a look at the Class Subjects module in Gyana Vyuham. Switching between classes is quick and effortless. Simply click the class chip next to the filter icon and select the class section you'd like to view. Instantly, you'll see all the subjects assigned to that class, such as Telugu, English, Hindi, Mathematics, Science, and more, along with the respective subject teachers and the syllabus progress for each subject. Updating subject progress is just as easy. Click the edit icon beside any subject to open the update form. Then, simply drag the progress slider to reflect the completed portion of the syllabus and click Save. The updated progress is immediately visible, helping school administrators, teachers, students, and parents stay informed about syllabus completion throughout the academic year. Now let's explore the Attendance module in Gyana Vyuham, designed to make daily attendance fast, accurate, and effortless. The module offers 2 convenient options: attendance by class and attendance by student. Let's begin with attendance by class. Simply switch to the required class using the class chip, choose the attendance date, and select either the morning or afternoon session using the AM/PM selector. To save even more time, use the Apply to All option to mark every student as present with a single swipe. Then, as attendance is called out, simply swipe the students who are absent for that session. It's a quick and intuitive process that significantly reduces the time spent marking attendance. Once you've finished, click the Save Morning Session or Save Afternoon Session button. Before the attendance is finalized, Gyana Vyuham displays a confirmation window showing the complete list of absent students along with their registration numbers. After reviewing the list, simply click Confirm Attendance to save the records instantly. The moment attendance is confirmed, parents of absent students automatically receive both a voice call and an SMS notification in their preferred language, such as Telugu, informing them that their child has not attended school that day. This immediate communication improves transparency and helps schools keep parents informed without any manual effort. Making changes later is just as simple. Switch to the Attendance by Student option, where the currently selected student's attendance history is displayed. Click the edit icon, choose present or absent for the required session, and click Save. The attendance record is updated instantly, ensuring every student's attendance remains accurate and up to date. Now let's explore the Homework module in Gyana Vyuham, making homework management simple for teachers while keeping students and parents well informed. The Homework module displays all homework as easy-to-read cards. Each card includes the homework title, description, subject, due date, and any attached documents or images, giving teachers and parents a quick overview at a glance. Clicking View More opens the complete homework details, where all attachments can be viewed or downloaded. Teachers can even attach photos of classroom whiteboards, handwritten notes, worksheets, PDFs, or other reference materials, making it easy for students to understand exactly what was taught in class. Creating homework takes only a few seconds. Simply click Add Homework, enter the homework title and description, choose the subject, attach any supporting documents or images if required, and click Save. The homework is instantly published and becomes available to students and parents. Now let's explore the Exam Schedules module in Gyana Vyuham. This module helps schools plan and organize examinations for every class with ease. Whether it's unit tests, quarterly exams, half-yearly exams, annual exams, or even tentative exam schedules, everything can be managed from one place. Each exam schedule is displayed as a card. Clicking View More opens the complete timetable, where you can see every subject along with its exam date and time. Creating or updating an exam schedule is quick and simple. Just click Add Exam Schedule or the edit icon to open the form, enter the exam title, and select the date and time for each subject. Once you click Save, the exam schedule is published instantly and becomes available to teachers, students, and parents, ensuring everyone stays informed well in advance. Now let's explore the Progress Cards module in Gyana Vyuham, designed to simplify exam result management for every class. The module offers two convenient views, Progress Cards by class and Progress Cards by student. In the class view, simply select the required class section to see the list of available examinations. Choosing an exam displays a marks entry table where each row represents a student with their registration number, while each column represents a subject for that examination. Previously entered marks are displayed automatically, making it easy to review and update results. Managing marks is simple. Click the Edit button to switch the table into edit mode. First, enter the conducted marks and pass marks for each subject, then begin entering the marks scored by every student. If a student was absent for a particular exam, simply click the icon beside the marks field and enable the absent switch from the pop-up. The system records the student as absent for that subject automatically. Teachers can also add marks for newly introduced subjects, update existing marks, and save all changes instantly. Whenever needed, the complete exam report can be downloaded as an Excel file for printing, sharing, or maintaining school records. For individual corrections, simply switch to the Progress Card by Student view, select the student, update the required subject marks, and click Save. The Progress Card is updated immediately and is available to teachers, students, and parents. Now let's take a quick look at the Finance module in Gyana Vyuham. The Finance module helps schools maintain all income and expense records in one place. Expenses such as salaries, books, transport, maintenance, and other operational costs can be added easily by selecting a category, entering the amount, date, and other details. Similarly, schools can record income such as fee collections, donations, sponsorships, rentals, or any other source of revenue. With built-in analytics and financial reports, school management can monitor income, expenses, profit, and loss throughout the year, making financial tracking simple, organized, and transparent. Now let's explore the Staff module in Gyana Vyuham. Here, admins can manage all staff user accounts in one place. Each staff profile displays basic details along with their assigned class sections and responsibilities. Adding a new staff member is simple. Click Add Staff, enter the required details, and save. A new staff account is created instantly, and login credentials are shared through SMS and email. Clicking the staff profile opens complete details, where admins can reset the password and manage access control, including which classes and sections the staff member can view or update. Now let's explore the Fees Dues module in Gyana Vyuham. Just like attendance and progress cards, the fees module provides two convenient views, by class and by student. In the class view, simply select the required class section to see a complete table of students. The table displays each student's name, registration number, total academic fee, amount paid, pending balance, and quick actions, allowing administrators to monitor the fee status of an entire class from a single screen. Clicking on any student opens the complete fee details page. Here you can view the student's total academic fee along with individual fee components such as tuition fee, bus fee, exam fee, hostel fee, or any other customized categories. Below that, the fees are organized into terms such as Term 1, Term 2, and so on. Each term displays its planned due date, payable amount, payment status, and other details, giving administrators a complete view of the student's payment schedule. Collecting fees is simple and flexible. Click the three-dot menu beside any term to open the Settle Payment form. Here you can record the payment date, payment method, reference details, and the amount received. If a parent makes only a partial payment, Gyana Vyuham automatically creates a new pending installment for the remaining balance with a new planned due date. When the due date arrives, the system automatically sends fee reminder voice calls and SMS notifications in the parent's preferred language, eliminating the need for administrators to manually follow up with every parent. Generating fee reports is just one click away. Administrators can download a professional fee receipt containing the school logo, school details, student information, fee components, payment history, term-wise status, total paid amount, pending balance, and transaction details. The report also includes spaces for the accountant and principal signatures, making it ready for printing and handing over to parents as an official receipt. Gyana Vyuham also allows schools to generate detailed student marks reports. These reports include examination results, subject-wise marks, grades, totals, percentages, and overall performance in a professionally formatted report card. The reports are ready to download, print, sign, and share with students and parents, making academic reporting simple, accurate, and completely digital. Now let's explore the Documents module in Gyana Vyuham. The Documents module provides a secure and centralized place to store, organize, and share important files across the school. Documents are categorized into three sections: school documents, class documents, and personal documents, making it easy to share information with the right users. Adding a document is simple. Click the Add Document button, enter a title, upload the required file, and click Save. Gyana Vyuham supports multiple file formats, including PDF documents, images, Excel sheets, Word files, and more. Once uploaded, documents are instantly available to the intended users through the app. Each document also includes quick actions to view, download, or delete using the three-dot menu, ensuring important files remain secure, organized, and easily accessible whenever they're needed. Now let's explore the Calendar module in Gyana Vyuham. The Calendar module helps schools plan and manage important events, academic activities, and public holidays in one place. Multiple events or holidays can be scheduled for the same date, giving everyone a clear view of the school's upcoming activities. Adding a new event or holiday is simple. Click the Add Event or Holiday button, enter the event name, choose whether it's an event or a holiday, select the duration as full day or half day, set the date, and enable the school holiday option if applicable. Then simply click Save. Once published, the event appears instantly on the school calendar, and notifications are automatically sent to teachers, students, and parents, ensuring everyone stays informed about important school activities and holidays. Now let's explore the Access Control module, the core of security in Gyana Vyuham. Every action in the platform is protected by role-based permissions. By default, only the school administrator has complete access to all modules and settings. Staff members can only view or perform actions that the administrator explicitly allows. Administrators can assign permissions module by module, including view, create, edit, delete, and other specific actions. Sensitive modules such as fees dues remain accessible only to authorized staff. The moment a permission is granted or updated, the changes take effect instantly without requiring any additional configuration. If a staff member needs access to a particular feature, they can submit an access request through the application. Once the administrator approves the request, the required permissions are applied immediately. When a staff member leaves the school, the administrator can simply mark the account as inactive from the staff module or remove the assigned permissions. Their access to the application is revoked instantly, ensuring school data always remains secure. With Gyana Vyuham, no user can view, modify, or delete any information unless the appropriate permission has been granted, giving schools complete control over data security and user access. Let's see how permission requests work in Gyana Vyuham. First, we'll log in as a staff user. Suppose the staff member opens the students module without having the required permission. Instead of allowing access, Gyana Vyuham displays a message stating that permission is required, along with a request access button. Clicking this button opens a pre-filled permission request form. The staff member simply reviews the request and clicks submit. The request is then sent securely to the school administrator for approval. As soon as the request is submitted, the administrator receives an instant notification. Opening the notification displays the complete request, including the staff member's details, the requested module, and the required permissions. The administrator can review the request and either approve or reject it based on the school's policies. If approved, the new permissions are applied immediately. If rejected, the staff member continues to have restricted access, ensuring school data remains protected at all times. Once the request is approved, the staff member immediately receives a notification confirming that access has been granted. Without logging in again, the requested module becomes available instantly. For example, when the staff member opens the students module again, the add and edit actions are now enabled according to the permissions provided by the administrator. This secure approval workflow ensures that only authorized users can perform sensitive actions, giving schools complete control over access while keeping every operation safe, transparent, and fully secure. Now let's explore the public modules in Gyana Vyuham. The public modules include About, Courses, Achievements, Gallery, and Contact Us. These modules allow schools to manage their public information directly from the application. Schools can update their About section with school information, manage courses offered by the school, showcase achievements, upload photos and videos in the gallery, and maintain Contact Us information. Finally, let's explore the Analytics module in Gyana Vyuham. The Analytics module gives administrators a real-time overview of the school's performance through interactive charts and reports. Here, you can monitor fee collection statistics, attendance trends, homework completion reports, revenue summaries, and recent activities happening across the application. With all key insights available in one place, school management can quickly track performance, identify trends, and make better decisions using real-time data.
And that's Gyana Vyuham, a complete digital ecosystem built to simplify school management. From academics, attendance, homework, examinations, progress cards, and fee management to finance, documents, communication, analytics, and advanced access control, everything is managed securely from one unified platform. Designed for administrators, teachers, students, and parents, Gyana Vyuham helps schools reduce manual work, improve communication, strengthen security, and make smarter decisions with real-time insights. Thank you for taking the time to explore Gyana Vyuham. We look forward to partnering with your school in helping you build a smarter, more connected, and digitally empowered future.